to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a messy bag, basically. It's this exploding bag. So first of all, I want you to meet my friend here. His name is Sid. He is a skeleton. He was alive in what was it? 1833, yes. But tragic accident, he got hit by a falling helicopter. Happens to the best of us. But so he's just here and he's going to show, and he's just going to be here, and if you have any questions, ask him, basically. So write in the comments below if you have any questions and he'll respond. Okay, let's get back to the video. Today, we are going to show you how to make a messy bag. How this is going to work. We are going to use baking soda, some white vinegar. It doesn't look white, but yeah, half a cup. This looks like more than a half cup, but this is a small cup. So 10 drops of food coloring, a pet or turkey basket, if you will, and some scoopers for the baking soda. Okay, let's get started. And you need a zip tie, sandwich size, I guess, and a clip thing, twist tie. So, okay. First of all, you get this. Open it up. You want to pour your half a cup of vinegar in. Try not to spill any. Looks good. See? Next up, you grab about 10 drops. So stick it in. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's so you can see the actual explosion. Next up, you have to grab your clip tie, whatever you want to call it, zip tie, and shut it off airtight. Nothing must get through. A single drop, the whole project could get messed up. Whole thing. Once you realize it's secure, you would want to get some baking powder, baking soda powder. That's called, I don't know. You can use whatever size you want. Mine doesn't seem to be properly working, so I'm just going to pour it in. Looks good to me. Now, we close it up. Make sure none spills out like I just did. Okay, make sure it's zip tight. Go to a place in your garden or something where you don't mind getting messy. Pull the zip tie, you drop it, and it spills. And then, if you really want to, big explosion, really fun. You should give this a go. And maybe come up with a little better result than splashing all the members of this community with baking soda. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video when my liquor's dry, and you can see Sid as well in the next video. And bye. Like, subscribe.